Welcome, guys. In this chapter, we are going to see how we can inspect CSS with browser tools. So, these browser tools are available in most of the modern browsers. So, here you can see we have a demo page, and to access the browser tools, go to the top right and then click on the three dot icon. Go to the more tool, and there you go, you have a developer tools. And when you click on it, you get this kind of dialog. You can do zoom in, zoom out. Okay. There is a shortcut key to get this browser tool as well. Just press Ctrl Shift I in Linux or Windows, or Command Shift I in Mac. You can see in this browser tool we have many tabs like console, source, network, performance, memory, etc. But in this chapter we are going to see the element tabs. Under elements tab you can see all the HTML content, and if you hover over any element, then that part is highlighted in the page. Here you can see when I hover over h1, that particular element is highlighted in the page. Now we can do much more with this tool. You can see we have on the right side we have font size 3. I can change on the fly like this, and that change will be reflected in the browser. However, this change is temporary, as if I reload this page, then that change will go away. So please note that whatever change you do in this browser tool, those are temporary, and these are for testing purpose only. Now let's have some fun. Let me update this text of h1 with playing with browser dev tools, and when I just update it, you can see the text has been updated. Now suppose you want to update the background color of your page, and right now it is white, and now we go to this elements tab and select the body element, and then here on the right side I just add background color and then try with Alice blue or beige. Okay, so you can get all the color here on the right side, you can see. Okay, as I go, you can see all the colors are updated in according to that. And let me choose beige, and I just love this color, you can see this. And I will now just copy this color and paste in the original source file. So here we have the original source file. I will just go here and then body and just write the same CSS here only, and then save it. And now you can see the background color of my page has been updated, and it is permanent. You can see even with the reload that color persists. Finally, last piece of information, if you see here, there is something called as user agent style sheet. These style sheets are basically added by the browser, and hence they are called the user agent style sheet. And those style sheets which are not marked user agent, like font size 3 rem, which is part of 03 underscore inspect css.html, and here we have, you can see, we can also see the content of the CSS from the browser tool. Finally, suppose you don't want this browser tool at the bottom of your page and you want somewhere else. For that, you just go here on the three dot icon, and then you can choose the dock side, like this side is left and then this side is right, or you can undock as well. This way, this browser tool is now freely floating. My favorite position is at the bottom, because then I can do scroll up, scroll down. So that's all in this chapter, and I hope you love this tool and make the great use of this tool in your web page development. See you in the next chapter.